Ayan, papunta na tayo sa baba. Wala tayong signal dito sa baba ng mountain, dito sa mountain na to. So doon na lang tayo pupunta. Lakad tayo, sasakay tayo ng lift. Ayan, ganda ng view dito guys. So ayun, mega shoutout sa aking family, especially sa family Bercasio and sa pinsan ko na si Ate Cheryl, kay Edmond, and then sa friend ng kapatid ko na si Maisy Chen. Mega shoutout Mai. And then kay Vebs, sa family ni Vebs, sa family ni Beverly, family Duran, kay Raymond, kay Vebs, kay Elodie, kay Beatrice, kay Syra Beatrice. Mega shout out and welcome to Lückerbad, Switzerland. Dito lang yan sa mountain ng Lückerbad, Switzerland. Yan. Yan. Ganda ng ano dito. Tapos doon, sasakay tayo doon. Daming nag-i-ski. Ang gagaling. Ayan. So may maliit na bata dito nag-i-ski. Ang galing. Ito yung bata to nag-i-ski. Ang galing. Ang galing. Ang galing niya. Nakaka-amaze. Kasi bata pa siya. Magaling na siya mag-ski. Tayo. Ayan, dito tayo sa lift. Sasakay tayo ng lift papunta sa taas. Okay guys, so yun makikita natin yung babae na to na ano naman yung shoes niya.
Here.
So yun. Yan, daming tao. So yan, daming tao. It's nice. Yan, next na tayo. Okay, it's our turn. Ayan, this is our...
Okay, you take the place of the black one. Okay?
Yes. Dito na tayo.
Okay, ito sa atin.
Dito na tayo guys. Ayan. Ayan, dito na tayo. So, nasa lift na tayo. Dito na ako sa lift. Kita natin yung view dito sa baba. So, malamig na siya dito sa taas. Malamig. Ayan. Welcome to Lückerbad Mountain. Ayan, ang view.
Weißt du, hoe we dat Abergangen zijn ons vastgestorven zijn?
Il y a peu de monde, il n'y a pas beaucoup d'eau dans le lac. D'accord. On va faire le tour du lac.
There, meron siyang small lake doon. Pero frozen siya. Wala
Nou,
siyang
vind ik wel
oxygen.
vanaf.
Yan.
Ja.
Yan, tignan nyo mga kasama natin dito sa lift.
Dat is een tour.
Yan.
Scheidings.
So, yun. Mega shoutout kay Ate Cheryl Bercasio, kay Edmond, sa wife ni Edmond, sa mga anak at family. Ayan guys. Sa taas na tayo ng lift. Ayan. Ayan. Tayo lang yung video dito. Mga kasama natin hindi yung mga ganyan. So, yun. siya. Sa baba. Yan. Yan. Mega shoutout kay Nads, kay Sehe, kay Najim, kay Kaopo Masaranghe. Mega shoutout mo kami mga hinaan Malaminusta, and kay Rima, kay Colombia. Mega shoutout. Ito kita mainto ma-mountain sina no look back. Ito yun na, ito kita ma-lift. Ito kita mariata ni lift. Na anda. Bukutan. Naan. Naan. Ayan. Super lamig. Malamig siya. So hanggang doon sa taas.
Zo moet ik gewoon naar hun.
Yeah, this is closed. I don't know if it's
Um,
it's like old style.
yeah.
Yeah, all of it.
Okay.
I think it's hard to fill out this kind of hotel.
Because it's too far.
It's far.
So guys, there you can see, and we will go up, and you can see also here this view. He's practicing. Don't know how to do. Nagpa-practice si ate, hindi siya marunong pa. Wow, very small. Yan, ang galing ng batong to. Mga bata, yan siya. Galing nila.
Ah, it's going further. I thought it was stopping at the hotel.
Yeah, we also, but not.
Dat is een beetje anders hier.
Yes, and then pabalik tayo, baba tayo ulit dito sa view na to. Tingnan
I
niyo
think
na
for
gaano
one thing
kaganda.
they have this map.
Can you say shout out to Nads, Najirul family,
Hello, Nats. Greetings from here from Röschliba. And to all your family.
Okay,
Yeah,
say
you can
hey.
see the snow.
Okay, Sehe is the nephew.
Okay,
His
yes.
name is Sehe.
Say hello, say hey. And,
Najim.
Najim.
And Colombia, and Otto, and then Almuds,
Okay.
and Opa
That's a lot
Omasaranghe.
of people.
Yeah, it's his family.
Okay, so
Opa
yes.
Omasaranghe. Ito kita mainto mga mountains in valley. Ito mainto mga bukid. Tanda na natin na aninan. Ito kita ma-lift. Nice.
Especially
So
like
cool
that.
here.
It's nice.
So ito kita song na kita mainto tekkaus na ano na kita palingan kita madayoan. Again, shout out kay Nads Julieta Najirul sa kanyang kapatid, kay ate before sa and then sa family ni Nads. Yun, kay Sehe, kay Najim, kay Otto, kay Almos, kay Colombia, kay Rima, kay Opa Masaranghe, sa tao. Ito na kita mainta, tekka na kita. So, ito na kita, tekka.
On lever là-bas.
Wait. So, palingan na kita, hus. Dito na. Yes. So guys, we are here. We are on top of the mountain. And then you can see a lot of people doing the ski. Small boy, a lot of adolescents, and everywhere nag-ski sila dito.
The day we see junior skiing, then we'll have a lot of
Yes.
laughing and fun because you will fall all the time.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
but don't
really...
bother, the skiers have to go on the side. So she is talking like this to the young people. They turn nuts and children.
Yan. Yeah, look, the small boy.
Very, really, you know.
Yes, it's very nice. Yes.
Quand on marchait, attention de ne pas gêner les gens qui laissent
Oui. Au marché où?
Ok, alors nous on passe là, ça c'est notre chemin.
Okay.
Et après, no higher, but there's not much.
So we are going down here. So guys, we are going down from this path, going down to the place where we ride. Sherry, don't pass in the middle because maybe.
It's not made for skiers, it's too narrow.
Oh, okay.
It's made for...
So guys, this is the path for walking, and it's going down. This is our way going down. Tingnan ninyo guys, super nice.
Ouais, qui fait chaud. Hein.
Yes.
Pas besoin de filmer tous les gens non plus, on a compris ce que c'était un télésiège. Ici, le reste c'est tout pour les skis.
So guys, we continue walking, and then there's a people in the lift with their ski, and you can see them. Super nice.
didn't make it flat.
Yeah, it's difficult to walk. Yes. Super nice talaga guys. May enjoy talaga natin ang ating full day walk here.
Parle pas trop. Alors, t'es content?
Yes, I'm enjoying walking, and then you can see it's so beautiful.
Ouais,
All
ouais,
of
on a vu.
the-
Oui. C'est bon?
Yes. Ah, it's so nice.
here because you're
Yes. So, ang daming tao. Ang daming tao ngayon. Mag-hi tayo sa mga tao nagli-lift. So, tingnan niyo guys. Kahit saang view, maganda siya. Ayan. So, hindi masasayang yung ano natin, yung effort natin maglakad. Kasi maganda.
They did it for the pedestrians here.
Hey. Ayun! Makikita ninyo dito sa aking likuran yung background natin. So gaano ba kaganda ang Switzerland? Kaya guys, punta na kayo dito. Yes, I'm explaining them how beautiful this place. And I wish they can come here and visit the mountain of
Pas
Switzerland.
que tout le monde vienne non plus, c'est déjà, il y a trop de monde autrement.
Marche! Don't disturb me, go!
vrai,
Don't disturb me, go! Ayun! Makikita na.
Il y a déjà beaucoup de monde, c'est pas nécessaire de venir.
Makikita natin yung view dito. Super nice siya. Although mainit ang araw, pero nagmimix siya ng lamig. At malamig. Init, lamig. Ayan. Ang ganda talaga guys. Hindi ko maano. Walk.
Donc c'est plus joli ici que les Philippines. C'est vrai? Sarah, Sarah, Hanuna, Jari.
Guys, someone is making a nonsense.
And whatever. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! And welcome to Lukebad Mountain. Yan.
If you want to see all the movies that Junior did a few years ago, you get pretty much the same.
Ayan, tinanggal na natin yung bonnet natin kasi mainit. Ayan guys, ang daming snow. Ito yung place kung saan tayo pwede maglakad kasi yung sa gitna doon, sa kabila doon, hindi tayo pwede kasi pang-ski lang yun. Dito is panglakad pababa. So mainit ang araw and then malamig. Nagmi-mix siya, tapos yung mga tao nagli-lift dyan, tapos pagbaba nila, mainit ang araw. Pagbaba nila is nag-i-ski na sila dyan sa baba. Tignan niyo sa background ko, yan sa likod. Ganyan.